Good morning, little chef. Welcome to day 31 of working as a chef on a yacht. I started to hear our guests waking up, and they love to be woken up with a nice hot cup of coffee. So I frothed some milk and pulled an espresso shot and woke them up with a cappuccino. For breakfast this morning, I'm doing some poached eggs, sausage, toast, and yogurt with tart cherries. Unfortunately, I don't have fresh fruit on board right now, but the frozen fruit has come in handy. I made myself a chocolate protein shake, some coffee, and worked on editing some videos. If I'm not cooking, I'm either napping or working on videos for my little chefs. Every night after I clean up the galley from dinner, I'll sit down at my computer and upload all of the footage from the day. Some days can be super busy, so it's fun to go back and watch what I've done. Right after lunch, the captain took the guests to the airport, and that means the crew has a couple days off. I like to get all of my work done before I do the fun stuff, so I took out the trash, and then I went paddleboarding. This marina is really unique because there's this spot where they've carved through rock to create a canal. Today, I'm making a Mediterranean salad with honey harissa chicken. I'll set the table on the upper deck this time and call the guests to lunch. Since it's just the crew on board, we're gonna celebrate tonight, so we threw a pizza party. I'm doing 2 types of pizzas, a meat lovers, and then spinach, mushroom, ricotta, and goat cheese pizza. Our provisioner at this marina hooked us up with about 40 conchs. We'll vacuum seal these, stick them in the freezer, and I can pull them out whenever I need them through the rest of the trip. I'll make conch fritters, cracked conch, and conch salad. This crew is made up of extremely hardworking individuals. Even when we're technically off, we are still working pretty hard. The captain's always working on projects, the first mate is cleaning the outside of the boat, the stew is doing tons of loads of laundry, and I'm always in the galley prepping food. Yeah, of course we might stay up a little later and sleep in a little longer, but I think we all like working. I think I can safely say that I am definitely in the right profession. Bye, little chef. If I see a shark, I'm probably gonna freak out. The current is strong. Yeah, we'll take the elevator up. I'll film you. You'll get 2 perspectives. Where does it shoot you out to? Is there just another canal on the other side? I think you have to lay flat. Go for it, Brian. Oh boy! You did it. How is it over there? Oh, I'm not scared of being embarrassed. Oh, this is like the ocean. Pretty cool. All right, we going back through? Ooh, I'm getting burnt already. Well, that was fun. Hi, little chef. Do you remember that magic shell that Smuckers used to make? You'd put it on your ice cream and it'd solidify? Well, I'm gonna teach you how to make it. You just need 2 ingredients, coconut oil and chocolate. Coconut oil is a liquid above 77 degrees, and anything below 77 degrees, it's a solid. It's gonna be a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts chocolate to 1 part coconut oil. So if I use 6 tablespoons of chocolate, I'll use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. But I'm sure I didn't need to explain that to you. You're a smart little chef. So you'll throw your chocolate and coconut oil into the microwave, working in 10-second intervals. Each time, take it out and give it a stir. If the chocolate burns, there's no coming back from that. Once it's all melted, it'll be silky smooth and super glossy looking, and then when you put it on top of the ice cream, it's gonna start to solidify. And then you just get to relive your childhood. I served my magic crust on top of some chocolate ice cream that I made in the Ninja Creamy. If you don't have a Ninja Creamy yet, you're missing out. Bye, little chef. The guests left this morning, so it's only crew, and we decided to have a pizza party night. And there's a spinach one. Spinach, goat cheese, and mushroom in the oven. So what does the crew do when there are no guests on board? There's still a ton of work that we do in the day, but we like to relax in the evenings with pizza parties, hot tubbing, and walking around in our PJs rather than uniforms. On days without guests, the crew sleeps in probably an extra hour. So for the captain, he wakes up at 6, and I'll wake up at 8. It's nice to leisurely start my morning with a cup of coffee and getting cozy in my sweatshirt. You can get a little chef sweater too, link in the bio. One thing that I spend a lot of time on when guests aren't on board are editing videos. If you like my short form content here on TikTok, I have long form content on YouTube. Just search Abby in the Galley. One thing that the captain likes to do when the guests are off the boat is go around the island to explore and bring me back fresh fruit that he found on the side of the road. Bye, little chef. This crew is made up of extremely hardworking individuals. Even when we're technically off, we are still working pretty hard. The captain's always working on projects, the first mate is cleaning the outside of the boat, the stew is doing tons of loads of laundry, and I'm always in the galley prepping food. Yeah, of course we might stay up a little later and sleep in a little longer, but I think we all like working. I think I can safely say that I am definitely in the right profession. I don't know how anyone could get tired of working with food. There are so many new creations that you can think of, and it keeps my mind energized. And if you don't have a passion like this about food, I don't know if this is the right profession for you. You have to be crazy to work in this industry. Long hours, working holidays and weekends, lots of physical labor, and smelling like a garlic clove 24/7. If that sounds fun to you, you'll make it. And honestly, I love the smell of garlic clove, so if I could bottle that up and have it as a perfume, I would. Bye, little chef. Dance party, bridge deck, aft.
Why is the DJ?
No one's dancing!
We're all standing in the corner. Yeah, I turned out pretty good. Like camo kind of? I don't know. It's totally camo-y.